made fermented hot honey recently and it was sensational. But I couldn't stop there, so today we are making hot maple syrup. You're gonna need maple syrup, the best you can get. Then grab your chosen chilies. I've got Fresno and jalapeno. Slice them up nice and small, but don't worry about being neat. Crush and peel some garlic cloves and pick some fresh thyme leaves. We want as much flavour from everything as quickly as possible. Place the chilies, garlic and thyme into a jar and cover with that gorgeous maple syrup. You can just leave the maple syrup to settle, or if you're as impatient as me, you can just stir everything together. Once everything's mixed and coated in syrup, leave it for a couple of weeks to work its magic. I guess we'll come back when it's ready. Like and follow for part 2. I'm kidding! It's been 2 weeks and I don't want to wait anymore. You should smell this thing. It is like hot happiness in a jar. To be honest, this one didn't ferment as the syrup is shot bought and heat treated. But if anyone has a source of raw maple syrup, hit me up in the comments. You can see the chilies are soft and almost candy, and the maple syrup's looser, runnier, and has a proper kick. And that's it. Hot maple syrup ready to enjoy however you wish. And I wish for it to be all over some freshly cooked waffles and crispy fried chicken. Get all those chilies and garlic involved too, because they are insanely good and not to be missed. Fried chicken waffle burger, anyone? Spice that syrup, eat them chilies, and don't forget to like and follow.